This is a continuation of example 1 of lesson 1.3 of our next book, Order of Operations with Powers, and we have another expression here, and we are going to solve it using the order of operations, which, as we know, is grouping symbols, exponents, multiply and divide, add and subtract, which is not done with a D, it is an S. And we are doing these ones down here. We haven't got to grouping symbols yet, so ignore that for now. So we are going to start by solving our exponents, which there are two of. We have 4 squared plus 5 divided by 1 to the power 4 times 7. We're going to start with our exponents. We have 2 exponents, it looks like. We have 4 squared. I did not click on that. And 1 to the power of 4. 4 squared is equal to 4 times 4, which equals 16. And 1 to the power 4 is equal to 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, which equals 1. So we can substitute our exponents with numbers that they equal. So 4 squared is 16 plus 5. Come on, thing, work, please. I'm having technical difficulties. That's all right. Plus 5 divided by 1 times 7. All right, so now here's the tricky part. We have this expression here, this next one. We've done exponents, now it's multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. So we're not going to do the 16s, just going to sit over here and chill for a bit. We don't care about the 16. 5 divided by 1 times 7. This is where it becomes really important, where we go from left to right and not do multiplication first and then division. Because if we do multiplication then division, we're going to do 1 times 7, and then we're going to have 5 divided by 7. We don't want that. That's not correct. So we're going to do 5 divided by 1 times 7. We need to go from left to right. 5 divided by 1 is, of course, 5 times 7, and then we'll bring down the 16. 16 plus, and now we've got 16 plus 5 times 7. 16 just keeps chilling. It's just going to sit here and do nothing. Plus 5 times 7, we're going to do the multiplication next, 35. And now we have 16 plus 35, which equals, gives me a 6 plus 35 is 41, plus 10 is 51. 51, if my pen will write, 51. And that is order operations.